Welcome to my YouTube channel everyone. In today's video, we will be diving into lexical scoping in JavaScript, which is essential for understanding closures. Lexical scoping is often misunderstood by many developers, but I want to make sure that's not the case for you. Before we get started, I highly recommend seeking out the official documentation for a deeper understanding. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So now, let's make a new file named lexical scoping. Oops, not JS. Let's make it .html. Now let's add a script tag. And let's make a new function named outer function, and let's declare a new variable username whose value is Alex. Now we will see where we can access this variable and learn about lexical scoping. So let's also make inside function, actually inner function, and let's log that out here, username, and also call this function out here. We will see whether we can access this variable outside the function as well or not. Username, and also run this function first. So we will see that if the username here declared is access over here, and also we can access it here or not. So let's check it out. Here it is saying that username is not defined, and up in about line 18, it is saying that username is not defined in this line. So let's comment it out for now, guys, and let's check whether this is getting us proper result or not. So again, let's go live and see Alex. You can see here Alex, and it's properly being displayed. And also when we comment out this and see, it is saying that reference error and username is not defined, which means that we cannot access the username outside of this function, and this username has a scope only inside this curly braces, which means inside the function. So this is all about the lexical scoping, that a variable is only declared if the variable is only declared inside the function, and it is only available inside that lexical scoping of the function, and we cannot access it in outside of the function. Now also we can check that if we can make another function, inner function 2, and let's check whether we can access that function over here or not. Let's console log this, and let's write username and call this function out. And we know that it is not available, so I will comment it out, and let's check our console. Yes, it is coming over here as well, guys. You can see line number 13 and line number 17. 13 and 17. So this is all about lexical scoping. Hope you guys understand. In conclusion, lexical scoping in JavaScript determines variable scope based on where functions and variables are defined in the code. Inner functions can access variables from the outer functions, creating a predictable scope chain. Understanding this concept is key to mastering closures and writing efficient, organized code. And for the next video, we are going to talk about closures, so stay tuned for it. And if you like this video, I would consider subscribing.